Testing, testing. Oh, my hair's always like crazy. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, this is not a makeup video. This is gonna be a two-part video with ideas and suggestions of what to do while being home during quarantine. Some of these ideas you're probably familiar with, but I'm sure there's gonna be a few that probably are gonna be new to you. So they're not in any particular order or by any level of importance, so feel free to try them in any order. So if you're bored in the house and you're in the house bored, just keep on watching. So number 1, deep clean and declutter your home. This is the time to do some deep spring cleaning. Put away all those seasonal items, unwanted items that you no longer use. You can make a donation bag or a box and store it in the garage, in the basement, somewhere that you don't see it. So when the time comes, you can drop it off at any donation center. Don't forget to estimate the value of the items that you're donating to use it as a tax write-off. Number 2, try new recipes. Look up some of your favorite food recipes and make them at home. For example, I love Chinese food, and unfortunately a lot of them close around my area, so I just decided to look it up and make it at home, and it was delicious. So in case you're curious, this is what it looked like right here. And I will link the recipe down below in case you're interested. Also, learning plant-based vegan recipes come in handy for meatless days, is very inexpensive and very convenient for your pocket and your health. Number 3, organize your digital pictures. Look through them and sort them out, download them from your phone, and organize them into folders, either by month, year, event, whatever system you have into organizing your pictures. You can also print them to update your picture frames at home. And another fun idea would be to send them to your family and friends. You know, either print them out and send them through mail or through email. It is nice to look back and remember great memories. Number 4, clean up your makeup brushes and get rid of old makeup. Grab your makeup brushes and sponges and give it a good wash. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on different ways of how you can clean them and maintain them. Also go through all your makeup and skincare products. If you take a look, most cosmetics have an expiration date. It's either in the back of them or under the product. It's this little symbol that specifies how many months they last. I know I have used stuff a little longer than what it specifies on the symbol, but if it's more than 2 years that you have something, then it's time to get rid of it. And this brings me to the next step. 5, practice beauty tutorials. Now that you have clean brushes and sponges and non-spire makeup, it's time to play. There are many videos on YouTube, including mine, that can help you experiment with looks and techniques. Same thing with hair. Take out those hot tools and start to wave your hair, learn how to braid, learn how to straighten, to blow dry your hair. This is the time to practice. And if you mess up, it doesn't really matter. You're stuck at home. This is the time to practice. But we'll be prepared for when the time comes that we need to go out there again with new hairstyles and braids, all that jazz. Number 6, leave online reviews. When I look into buying any product, whether it's makeup, electronics, or any household items, I take my time and read online reviews. It helps me to gauge if I really want this product, if it's really good, if it's really worth buying. It definitely helps me make a decision into purchasing something. I always said I'll do it when I have the time, and guess what? Now it's the time. I'm sure people will appreciate your honest review on items they're interested in purchasing. I know I would. Number 7, pick up a new hobby. If there's a hobby you're looking to try, whether it's knitting, sewing, doll coloring, or tie-dyeing shirts, and you can do them at home, then go for it. I did not tie-dye this shirt, just so you know, but I definitely want to try it. Number 8, work on self-development. Read a book or listen to it, or even listen to a podcast on the topic that you are interested in or that you want to improve in. You can pick up also a new skill. You could also complete an online certification in your field or in any other field you're interested in, and also take an online course. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Udemy. Udemy is a website that offers hundreds of classes, and they're very affordable. This video is not sponsored, but I think it's very helpful for people that are trying to take courses into a field that they want to jump to or add more skills onto your resume, and you can take it at your own time and pace. Number 9, at-home workout. We gotta keep moving and grooving. And now with the convenience of the internet, we can access to any type of workout out there, whether it's a subscription or free videos on YouTube. One of my favorite YouTubers for workouts is Whitney Simmons. So if you're not familiar with her, I will leave a link of her channel down below. Check her out so you can get fit with Whit. Number 10, learn about nutrition. Find out what your body needs in regards of nutrients, vitamins, how much the body needs of calcium, iron, protein, all of that stuff is really good to know and incorporate it into your diet. Our health is very important, especially during this time of sickness. So we gotta make sure our immunity is strong. Number 11, self-care. Pamper and groom yourself. Take a bubble bath, exfoliate, tan, shave your face, hair mask, facial mask, mani-pedi, anything that will make you feel good, relaxed, and calm. Number 12, it's time to clean and organize your digital files. Organize and clean up your desktop. Put them into folders and categories that are easy for you to navigate. And don't forget to back up your computer. Number 13, play classic games and watch classic movies. And if you have kids, introduce it to them. This is so much fun to reminisce and show your kids what you used to play with. We had so much fun watching classic movies. For example, we watched The Sound of Music the other day and my kids loved it. But me as an adult watching it again, it was a totally different experience. I understood the major historical event that was happening in the movie in a totally different way. Number 14, review your finances and come up with a budget and a plan. See where you are financially. This is really a tough time. And I'm sure a lot of people were not prepared. Everything happened so fast. It's definitely a learning experience of what's happening now. So we should work into being prepared in the future. So if you're in debt, find out how much and come up with a plan of attack. And when I say a plan of attack, I mean once things get back to normal, that's when you start executing your plan. And if you don't have any debt, then try to educate yourself more into investments and savings and come up with a budget. There are a lot of online sources out there that can help you come up with a budget. There are apps. Do your research. I will link down below the sources I use and also the books I've read about money in case you're interested. Number 15, meditation and manifestation. This is something I recently just dabbled in. I came across a video on manifestation and I couldn't believe what she was saying about how we can manifest anything that we want in our lives. Now, I'm familiar with the law of attraction and the power of positive thinking, but not the way this person was explaining it. It really blew my mind. So it led me to watch The Secret. I watched it on Netflix, but this movie or documentary is based on a book. So you can read the book or listen to it. You can have everything you want. You just need to ask the universe for it and you shall have it. Of course, it's not as simple as it sounds, and it does take a lot of practice and meditation, which is something I never care for, but it's not impossible. There are a lot of successful stories in YouTube on how it has helped people that are suffering from money problems, stress, anxiety. I'm still new at this and I'm still learning more about it. I will leave the link of the YouTuber I really liked on this subject. Alright, so this is a bonus suggestion to check in on your year goals. Probably a lot of your New Year's goals or resolutions have been affected by this pandemic, but the year is not over yet. So revisit them, modify them, and add new ones. And start the ones that can be done in a current situation. But wait, there's one more. This last one is more of an advice, and it is to keep a weekly schedule. I know a lot of people are floating around, losing track of time and days. I'm guilty of this. So I believe it is essential to keep some kind of calendar, organizer, planner, and to start penciling in all the suggestions that I've given you. Bubble bath, makeup, coloring, finances. So this is it for part 1 of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope it was helpful and useful to you and it gave you new ideas to try. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ida. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell to let you know when part 2 of this video is uploaded. So don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and productive, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Ooh, this hair here is like creeping out. Stay hydrated. Watch classic movies.